So the voting has begun in the state of Uttar Pradesh in the 9 seats that are going for the by-polls, and we are present at the Sisa Mau assembly seat of Kanpur. As you can see, the polling agents are in a way have begun their work. It's quite chilly winters. They are also taking support of some chai out here to get rid of this cold and fog. You can clearly see they have got tea in their hands. काफी ठंडा है मौसम इस समय और आप लोग चाय का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा है.
अब लेना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि सुबह
सुबह सुबह आप लोग का ड्यूटी लग गया है.
जी जी सर सुबह से हम लोग आए हुए हैं. इस समय 5:30 बजे आ गए थे. उसके
5 बजे आ गए तो और ज्यादा कोहरा हो गया.
कोई बहुत फॉग में जम
हालांकि वोटर भी आ रहे हैं, अच्छी बात ये है.
वोटर आ रहा है. जिस टाइम से वोटर चालू हुआ उस टाइम से वोटर आ रहा है. जी
So you can clearly see that the people out here are here coming with the. You can see this visual, especially the polling agents out here taking care of IDs. Because interestingly, Samajwadi Party yesterday had given a letter to Election Commission asking the policemen not to allow police to check the IDs and the burqa. And now the polling agents, because they are also authorized for that, they are checking. So that's the quite a manner, and the request was accepted. And you can clearly see it's morning and the voters are coming in large numbers, especially the women out here of the Sisamo. As you see, this is the Rajkiya Inter College. So the voting, though the competition is between the Samajwadi Party and the BJP, though BSP candidate is also there, but there is a bitter fight between them. Naseem Solanki, wife of Irfan Solanki, who is behind the bars, is a candidate for Samajwadi Party, while Suresh Avasthi is the candidate for the BJP. Though Yogi Adityanath has come here, he even did a roadshow here, so the BJP is not leaving any stone unturned to win this particular seat, where Samajwadi Party has got the MLA since 2017, 2022. Irfan Solanki won all these three by polls, and now as he is behind the bars, and that's why the election is happening right here. And now his wife, Naseem Solanki, is taking on the BJP. Though if you talk about the caste scenario, there are 2.710 lakh voters, out of which around 1 lakh voters are from the Muslim community, around 60,000 voters are from the Brahmins and other caste, while 40,000 is around Dalits. So this has been the caste scenario out here eagerly. Most Muslim populated area of Kanpur lies in Sisamo, and that has been the stronghold for the Samajwadi Party since previous few elections. With cameraman Gaurav, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.